Hey everybody, Kevin Langan here. I've been getting a question lately from a handful of people about Airbnbs or short-term rentals. And specifically, a lot of people are wondering, does this strategy still work? And the short answer is yes, but there's a few things behind it because we are seeing Airbnb properties coming up for sale on the market in places like Scottsdale because they are not producing the results that the current owners have expected. There's a few reasons that Airbnbs fall below what they are expected to produce, with the first thing being the location. Now, obviously in Scottsdale, if the property is in Scottsdale and it's for sale, it's not a location issue because Scottsdale by far has the most amount of vacation rental revenue out of any place in the Phoenix area. So that's number one. Location has to be on point. The second thing about the property itself is it has to have the proper amenities that are going to attract guests and make people excited to book your property. Some ideas for amenities could be a putting green, hot tub, ping pong table, pool table, flat screen TVs in every room, an arcade room. That's what my personal short-term rental in Scottsdale has in it. And once I made those updates and investments into the property, we saw a significant increase in revenue for the property. And it has been investment that has been paying itself back just in the course of about a year and a half. And we've already recouped pretty much all the money that we put in to improve the property there. The third thing is management. This is a hospitality business, and guests need to have the feeling that you care about their experience. They need to know that you are responsive and you are communicating properly. I have a tool that I use called HostBuddy AI that can set it up to where you have an AI bot that will respond to the guest, answering common questions like, hey, what's the Wi-Fi password, even though I've already sent it to him multiple times, or hey, what day does the pool service come, or this or that, and it automatically responds and gets them the information that they're looking for in a short period of time. That impacts how your guests feel valued, and it impacts your reviews. Reviews, how your listing shows on Airbnb, and that type of marketing makes a huge difference on how your listing is going to perform. So if you get the right combo, good location, good amenities and design of the house specifically, good management and good marketing, your short-term rental will be very successful. Now, there are some opportunities to buy an existing short-term rental and do what I call a refresh, update it, maybe do some improvements, add some amenities, and you've got something that already has a lot of the components that are necessary for success, maybe even has furniture, kitchen cookware, dishes, stuff like that, that you could just buy with the house. And then you can go and make the improvements, improve management and marketing, and then boom, you're off to the races with a solid, already established Airbnb that has been optimized. These homes can easily eclipse $100,000 in annual revenue. With some examples, if you buy a more high-end or fancier home in the 1.5 million range, I've seen hosts doing in excess of $200,000 a year with properties like that. So obviously it depends on location and amenities and all the things we've discussed. If you are thinking about investing in a short-term rental, I'd love to help you, guide you in that process. So reach out to me. You can click the link below to just book straight onto my calendar, and look forward to chatting with you soon.